This is a MoneyRobot submitter review and bonus. Now, today I'm going to go ahead and do a quick overview of the new update to MoneyRobot. Now, I do have a previous review that I did with the desktop version where you run it on your desktop or on your virtual computer, and you go ahead and have it running on that specific instance. Now, the great thing about the new updated MoneyRobot submitter software is that you can actually have it run in the cloud with all of their proxies, with their virtual machine, so you literally don't have to do anything. And previously, I went ahead and showed you how to go ahead and create campaigns that are going to stick and be able to go ahead and get your links staying so that you can go ahead and rank your website pages as well as your YouTube videos. And so what I'm going to go ahead and show you, I'll go ahead and have a link down below if you want to go ahead and grab my bonus as well as grab the best pricing currently. But usually when you land on the website, you would scroll down. You could either click the buy now or scroll down and you will see the original desktop version. So this is $67 a month or $4.97 lifetime for the desktop version. So this is the one where you set it up and you run it on your computer or your virtual machine, and you have to go ahead and use your resources to do it. Now, I'm going to show you something super interesting. I'm going to go ahead and show you some results that I've gotten, but I've gotten hundreds of YouTube rankings using this for the Web 2.0 backlinks as well as the profile links, and it also sends you traffic and it also sends you social signals, which is pretty amazing. And it works really, really well. And I love now that you don't have to do anything. You literally put in your link, you put in your keyword, and you're ready to go. So let me go ahead and show you that. So instead, what you're going to do is once you hit the link down below, my affiliate link, you're going to go ahead and enter whatever link that you want and enter the keyword that you want to rank for and say start link building. And what it's going to do is it's going to let you have access to the web version. So let me show you the web version really quick. So the web version, all you have to do is you come up here to AI SEO fully automated. Now this is going to create posts for you automatically. It's going to go ahead and create your links for you, your accounts automatically. It's going to send you website traffic, video views, social media signals. It's going to do all of it for you, all 100% hands off. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull my website link. Also, I'm going to go ahead and pull my YouTube video, and you see I've already run one campaign on this, and I'm already ranking for several keywords that I want to go ahead and try to rank for. I'm ranked 1, 2, 3 on many, many keywords, which is pretty awesome. So we're going to go ahead and run another campaign for this, and it does backlinks, it does embeds, it does traffic, it does all sorts of stuff. It's really, really good. So we have our 2 links that we want, and all we need to do is we go ahead and click add new URL. We're going to go ahead and click the URLs that we want to go ahead and create campaigns for. So we're going to go ahead and create 2 campaigns right now, one for the YouTube video and one for the blog post that has the YouTube video in it. And then we're going to go ahead and select our keywords. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put our 4 keywords that we want, 1 per line. So we're going to go ahead and take our keywords here, and we're just going to have 4, 1 per line. Now you could do 1 keyword if you want. You don't have to have multiple keywords if you don't want. And so what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and use AI to go ahead and create this campaign for you. And so it will use these as your links, and so we can go ahead and add our URLs just like that. And what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and create our campaigns for us. Now let's go ahead and look in the back and show you what it's doing. So before, usually it would take us maybe 10 to 30 minutes to go ahead and do a campaign on MoneyRobot when you're running it on your computer. Now, you literally see it only took me maybe 5 or 6 seconds to go ahead and run 2 campaigns. Now, what it's going to do, it's going to go ahead and go to website traffic, and it's going to go ahead and create traffic from thousands of proxies. So you see here on this particular one, I've got 439 visits, 355 visits, 330 visits. And so it basically just slowly drips feeds the traffic over time. Then you can see for video views, it will go ahead and start doing video views for you. And it will go ahead and send some likes. It'll send some views, and it just slowly drip feeds views for you on YouTube. You'll also get social media signals. Now, some of these will just be where they are clicking the box to say, like, I'm sharing to this particular platform. But those are considered social signals, and they do help you rank, which is really nice. So you see here, 1838 social signals, 1536 social signals, 1834 social signals. So it slowly but surely drip feeds those over time to go ahead and help you with your rankings. Now, if you want to go ahead and just run a specific campaign, so website traffic, video views, social media signals, you can go ahead and start a campaign here. But when you do the AI SEO fully automated, it does all of the campaigns for you, automatically set up, run in the background, which is pretty good. Now, if you want to go ahead and get really detailed and fine-tuned into this, you could go ahead and do the different SEO diagrams. And so you can go ahead and find the diagram that you like. You can go ahead and import it if you want. If you don't want to do the automated AI SEO fully automated campaign where it runs everything for you, you could come here and create an SEO campaign if you wanted, and you have the ability to go ahead and choose the diagram that you want. So you could go ahead and just click campaign, give it a name, give it your money site URL, and then you can actually come over here and you can go ahead and select any diagram that you want, and it will actually show you what the diagram is and what it's actually going to create for you. So if you just wanted to run the regular SEO campaign without having AI do it for you, then you can go ahead and select it, put your keywords, your money site URL, and start campaign. But what I love about the AI SEO fully automated campaigns is that it does all of it for you, and all you have to do is copy and paste your keywords and your links, and you're done. You're ready to go. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you some of my results in a second, but if you see here, it's the same price monthly if you're going to be getting it monthly, and you don't have to use your computer resources, burn out your computer, or be using a virtual computer and paying for that monthly. So it gives you that built in, and it's actually the same price as the regular one to get on the computer. And so it uses the AI, it does keyword research, article builder, backlinks, it does the SEO website checker, it does website traffic, social signals, video views, and then it has the high DA websites, and I'm going to show you that in a second. It gives you 100% of the CPU power, so you don't have to use your own CPU. You're able to use all the diagrams, and it also does auto indexing, so you don't have to worry about indexing your stuff. Now, what I love is right here for the lifetime license. It's $200 more, but think about it like this. You never have to use your own computer. It has built-in AI, which the original one doesn't. And you never have to have a virtual machine. You don't have to pay for that monthly. It's built in here, and you're using their virtual machines, which is pretty awesome. Now, you can go ahead and look at specific campaigns if you want, and you'll see what it's doing. So for each little block that you see, it'll be 245 backlinks. So you'll see we have bloggers and web 2.0s, a bunch of backlinks from that, social bookmarking, a bunch of backlinks from that. Also has a lot of social likes and shares. Now, like I said, you'll have likes, and then the shares will be the ones where it clicks on the page, and then it clicks on where you want to share it. It doesn't actually share it, but it does send social signals, which does help with ranking. So you'll see that for a campaign, it does tons and tons of stuff for you. And if you want to run individual campaigns, when you go to SEO diagrams, you'll see that they have many ranking strategies for you. So you can rank any website, you can rank local niche websites, e-commerce websites, affiliate websites, blog posts, GMB, Google Maps, YouTube videos, Vimeo videos, TikTok videos, Fiverr gig pages, Amazon product pages, Facebook pages, Instagram pages, and Telegram pages. So there are lots and lots of strategies for all of the different social media places that you might need to get rankings for, and you can instantly have them set up running in the background, and I believe you can run up to 50 campaigns at once. When it's done, clear it out, work on the next campaign. This is a great resource. Now, here is one of the websites that I've been using MoneyRobot on for a little bit, and it actually started out at a 0 rating. I currently have it at a domain rating of 28. Now, using the referring domains from MoneyRobot, it has 70 referring domains, and you know that when you are trying to do rankings, you want to have as many referring domains as possible to go ahead and make them look unique and like more places are linking to you. So that's really important. And you see here, it's got 130,000 backlinks. And the great thing about this is now when I'm doing my pages and my videos, I'm getting backlinks and embeds to my pages and my videos, and it has been steadily growing over time. And like I said, this domain started out at a 0. It's currently sitting at a 28, and it's got a health score of 100, which is pretty nice. And you'll see with the links that it creates, most of them are going to be DR 10 through 19, and then you will have the remainder being between 20 and 29. And as we saw, that went ahead and brought my site from a 0 up to a DR 28. So slowly but surely it's been rising. I've been able to compound and keep a majority of the links that it creates. It helps me get my rankings for my YouTube as well as my website. And now with the institute of the AI not having to do this running on my computer all day long, it just saves a lot of time, a lot of headaches, and a lot of resources. Now you see here with MoneyRobot, you will lose some of your links, but you'll see a steady growth and progression of the links that have been created over the last couple of years. I've just been slowly, methodically just creating campaigns on the posts that I do so that I have the ability to go ahead and get the site score and rankings up. So this has been my MoneyRobot web access review. If you want to go ahead and pick it up, you can pick it up through my link down below. You can get it at the monthly price of $67, which is the same as the previous version, and it comes with the AI built in. Or you can get it for $697 for a lifetime and never pay for it again. And you'll be able to get lifetime links and campaigns set up in a matter of seconds instead of minutes. So you're going to save time, save money, save headaches. Hopefully this was informative. Hopefully it was helpful. If it was, smack that thumbs up, and thank you for watching here on the Passive Cash Stacker.